When plumbing problems strike, you need a trusted plumber in Phoenix, Arizona who responds quickly and gets the job done right. Springs Plumbing delivers dependable residential and commercial plumbing services with quality workmanship you can count on. From stubborn drain clogs and leaking pipes to water heater repairs and fixture installations, every service is handled with care and precision. Their experienced team uses modern tools and proven techniques to diagnose plumbing issues efficiently and provide lasting solutions. Whether it's a small repair or a major plumbing emergency, fast response times help minimize damage and restore your peace of mind. Routine maintenance from Springs Plumbing can also help prevent costly repairs and keep your plumbing system running smoothly year-round. Homeowners throughout Phoenix trust their friendly professionals for honest recommendations and transparent service. Businesses rely on Springs Plumbing to keep their plumbing systems operating efficiently with minimal disruption to daily operations. Every project is completed with a commitment to exceptional customer service, reliability, and long-term value. If you're remodeling your kitchen or bathroom, their skilled plumbers ensure every installation meets the highest standards. No matter the size of the plumbing challenge, Springs Plumbing is dedicated to delivering dependable solutions tailored to your needs. Choosing an experienced plumber in Phoenix, Arizona means protecting your property with expert workmanship and dependable service. Their knowledgeable team takes pride in helping customers maintain safe, efficient, and reliable plumbing systems. For prompt service and trusted plumbing expertise, contact Springs Plumbing today at 480-265-6936. You can also learn more about their complete range of plumbing services by visiting www.springsplumbingaz.com. Choose Springs Plumbing for reliable plumbing solutions and discover why so many Phoenix homeowners and businesses trust them for all their plumbing needs.